Good morning everyone, and the second season of the LEGO DREAMZzz series will make its debut on May the 17th. In anticipation of this exciting new chapter, LEGO stores have unveiled 3 brand new DREAMZzz sets. Here is what we currently know about the Neverwitch's Midnight Raven, Koopa's Robot Dinosaur, C-Rex, and Mateo and Z-Blob, the Night Battle Mech. First off, the Neverwitch's Midnight Raven with 1,203 pieces and 5 minifigures, including the new Neverwitch herself, comes the Neverwitch's Midnight Raven. Together with Mateo, an additional minifigure, a new piece for a raven flying beside the enormous raven. There is also seems to be an evil version of Logan and Lizzie. On the bird's back rests a shanty with a new cauldron element, and different pictures show that the shack is comparable to Baba Yaga's cottage, in that it might be balanced on its own 2 legs. Next up, we have Koopa's Robot Dinosaur, C-Rex. While Koopa's evil version remains true to his initial form, Koopa's minifigure has undergone a significant redesign that incorporates robot components. This set includes a new puffer vest element in addition to a good and evil minifigure for Izzy. In its place, the enormous dinosaur can be rebuilt into a robotic flying creature, very reminiscent of the Red Power Rangers Megazord. And then finally, with 1,333 pieces, the largest LEGO DREAMZzz summer set for 2024 is set number 71485, Mateo and Z-Blob, the Night Battle Mech. A development of Mateo and Z-Blob, this set also includes a new raven, numerous accessories, and a smaller character figures. This set of the LEGO Z-Blob minifigures includes the good and evil Mateo and Logan, as well as an alternative construction with Z-Blob's characteristic tall eyes in a more recognisable shape than his original set. So, what do you think about these new LEGO DREAMZzz sets? What one are you going to get? Let me know in the comments down below. And as always, have a wonderful day. Bye.